Hey cosplayers, ever get little fuzzy bits on your EVA foam when you're trying to sand it or different things? In today's Apprentice clip, I'm going to show you how you can eliminate those little fuzzy bits. Stay tuned. Alright cosplayers, these fuzzy bits can be the bane of your existence. I'm going to show you a really cool trick. There's some things that we've mentioned before in other videos, but at the end I'll show you the ultimate little trick that I figured out that gives you that extra smoothness when you're trying to eliminate those fuzzy bits. Alright, let's jump in. If you guys are excited about this, let me know in the comments by using the hashtag, let's do a hashtag this time, EVA Foam. Alright, hashtag EVA Foam in the comments. Let's do this thing. All right, on your way back up, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we come up with these Apprentice clips or our other videos so you can stay on top of your game and cosplay like a boss. All right, so I'm using the floor mat foam here to be able to kind of show you guys, which tends to get more fuzzies than some of the other cosplay foams or what the foam. And there we go. You can see we've got all these fuzzies we want to get rid of. So step number one, we've talked about this before. You're going to use a stone bit to be able to kind of try to get those down a little bit the best you can. And then we'll show you guys the super fancy trick in just a second. So let's hurry and flip this on. Okay, so we cut that down a little bit. There were some bigger fuzzy bits on there. Now there's a little bit smaller. And now for the ultimate trick, I'm going to come in and hit it with some fire. So you may have seen this from some people, but we're going to add a little bit of an extra twist. Got a little cookie sheet here that I just turned upside down on the table here, and we're going to use that in just a second. So you're going to blast it with some heat with the fire. Just kind of kissing the surface with it. There. And then you're going to rub it while it's still hot onto the metal. Okay. Give it one more pass here real quick. Okay. So let's show you up close now that those fuzzy bits are gone and you've got a pretty stinking smooth, even shiny little surface there. I did this with What the Foam as well. Let's show you how nice and smooth and clean you can get that beveled edge or that cut. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully this was helpful for you. It gave you a little bit of an extra little cherry on top of what you would normally do to be able to get rid of the fuzzy bits. Who knew? Cookie sheets are good for more than just baking cookies. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this, give it a like. Share it with a friend, please. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you guys in the next Apprentice clip. Cosplay on, my friends. See ya.